The Bange men's designer backpack emerges as a highly versatile carrying solution, crafted to meet the diverse demands of the modern man and boy. Positioned as a multifunctional item, it aims to seamlessly transition across various aspects of daily life, from academic pursuits to professional engagements and leisure activities. At its core, this offering from Bange integrates the utility of a dedicated laptop bag with the capacity of a traditional school bag, all within the framework of a robust backpack. The designer aspect suggests an emphasis on aesthetic appeal and thoughtful construction, while the inclusion of tactical implies a focus on durability, organized utility, and resilience under varied conditions. This combination hints at a product engineered for both practical performance and a distinctive look. Its practical applications are notably broad. It serves effectively as a school bag for boys, designed to comfortably carry academic essentials. For professional settings, it functions as a business bag, accommodating laptops and work-related items with a suitable presentation. The backpack's suitability for travel indicates ample capacity and organizational features for longer journeys, while its mention for motorcycle use suggests a secure and durable design capable of withstanding the rigors of the road. Furthermore, its designation for sports implies it can capably transport athletic gear, making it a comprehensive choice for an active lifestyle. In terms of design and usability, the Bange backpack appears to prioritize adaptability without sacrificing reliability. The designer element suggests a refined aesthetic that appeals to men, ensuring it looks appropriate in diverse settings. Its tactical designation points to a construction that is likely built to last, offering dependable performance whether used for daily commutes, adventurous travel, or demanding outdoor activities. This blend of style and implied ruggedness positions it as a reliable companion for a multitude of scenarios. Ultimately, the Bange men's designer backpack stands out as a singularly adaptable product. Its expansive descriptor set, encompassing laptop, school, motorcycle, tactical, business, sports, and travel uses, underscores its intended role as an all-in-one solution. For individuals seeking a versatile, durable, and aesthetically considered bag capable of fulfilling numerous functions, this backpack presents a compelling and practical option.